Hello guys, this is Raul bringing you another review. This time I'm going to bring you my review of hands down my favorite iPhone 4 4S case, LifeProof. I met the crew from LifeProof, and first time I saw the product was actually at CES 2012. I was hands down impressed. For this review, the phone is underwater, as you can see. So let's move the phone and let me show you the presentation. This is the LifeProof box. It's a really nice protection. This is what comes in it. This is the adapter for the headphones. We'll get into that. But the presentation of the case itself is great. As you can see, the box is thin. Therefore, it tells you right away that the case itself is thin. This case is waterproof, as you can see, dirtproof, snowproof, and shockproof. So let's bring the phone. I had this phone underwater for about a couple hours already. I decided that it would be unfair to do this test on regular surface. So let me go ahead and remove the phone. As you can see, this is the case. It is wet right now, and let's go and look how the screen is as responsive as if I didn't have any case. So the screen is great. It's still vibrant. You can still do everything that you need to do. There's a little gloss on the screen, but that's part of the screen protection. Now, this case is hermetically sealed, so there is no water, dust, or any other particles coming in. One of the things that I would recommend you is to correctly follow in every single step from LifeProof. As you can see in the back, it's marked with the LifeProof logo. In the front, you can see the screen protector, and on the sides, you get the buttons over here, your switch for the mute, your power switch, and this screw that goes inside the port for the headphones. Now, the bottom part is sealed for the charging, and it's really open, really good access. So one of the things that make this case special is the fact that it's not a case for only using it some days. It's because it's thin, it's portable, it adds barely any bulk to your phone. It is to be used as your everyday case. You put it, you leave it on, and you don't worry about it anymore. That's one of the things that LifeProof is trying to do, to not be switching cases. You just get one case and one case only. One of the other things that I'm going to tell you guys is LifeProof customer service. It's outstanding. The way they treat their people, the way they treat their market, it is really great. You don't see this much kind of care about the customers out there anymore, but LifeProof is focusing on that. With the company that started only a year and a half ago, we can tell you that LifeProof goes into an extensive process before they ship any of these cases out. So be sure that your phone will be protected not only by the case, but by LifeProof. This case only adds 1.5 millimeters from the center of the phone outside. So really, you don't have that, you're not adding that much bulk to it. Now, that's something that we are all worried about. We have these big companies making these really thick cases that give a lot of protection. But some of us, like myself, we want slickness while giving protection. And just that waterproof, underwater-proof protection is just a completely added benefit to it. There's a couple colors for it. This is the black color. There's a white, a pink, and a purple now. So you can order those from lifeproof.com, and they will definitely be happy to assist you with those orders. Now let's dry up the case. Really easy to dry. Really, the surface in the back gets the water out right away because of the material. Grippy, non-slippery. The size of it gives enough room for you to hang the phone right. And let me test the screen for you. This is with my hand dry, and how responsive the screen is. It is as everything. Let me go ahead over here. So it's really easy, really responsive, and there is no delay at all on the touching of the screen. Now, so let's try the camera, and we're going underwater. The camera looks really clean, really nice. You can see the bottom of this little vase. There is no other case for me that compares to this case right now because of what is provided and what is the price. This is one of the best cases I've ever seen, and I give big ups to LifeProof for developing it. Presentation is top notch, product is top notch, and customer service is top notch. Three factors that will help you with your choice when choosing a case. If you go over YouTube and LifeProof website, you can see how rigorous their tests are into these cases. Each one of the cases that you guys go to purchase goes through those same tests. So you will be sure that this case is working perfect every time that it gets shipped. So this is Raul bringing you an underwater review of the LifeProof case for the iPhone 4 and 4S. I do really hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in my next video. You have a good day.